Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So I'm back at it again with another live options trade on my cash secure put and cover call portfolio. Lately, haven't been doing a lot of cash secure puts. The reason why is because the market is not doing so well. So I don't want to be buying stocks that I don't want to potentially hold long term. But as of now, today I'm going to be doing two trades, and they're the usual trade. It's on pins and Palantir. As you could tell, the market's up by over a percent because all the tech's earnings are coming out soon. I think pins are coming out on October 27th, and the earnings for Palantir is coming out on November 7th, if I remember correctly. So currently, it's just up over a percent. It's been slowly at an incline, which is good. So this is the S&P 500. So the ones that I want to be trading today is gonna be gonna look at pins real quick. Pinterest right over here, currently trading at $22.50 right over here. Roughly, it's on and off, it's up and down lately. And then last month, I believe, I got closed out on October 21st. I collected my premium. Oh, this is Palantir. This is pins right over here. So 400 shares and 4 options total. Total premium collected is 300. I didn't get assigned, so I'm going to be closing that position right over here. And obviously my cost basis is $34.47, as you can tell on here. So what I'm going to be doing is go ahead and find the options for pins today. So currently, click on the options. If you're fairly new here, this is what I do like about every single month or so, give or take. And obviously my portfolio has been just ongoing. Right now it currently is down, if you could tell, but I'll show you that later. I'll be looking at the 31-day expiration, something far out. So, and obviously this one, if earnings come out really good, it could skyrocket. Well, not skyrocket, probably jump up like 5%, 3%, depending how it acts on October 37th or October 27th. Yeah. So I'm gonna be getting, let's see, what am I be looking at? Something, let's see the delta around the $27 ish. Right over here seems about a good price to be buying pins or be selling pins at 27. And this is gonna be a cover call. So I have 400 shares. Remember, if you're new here, this is what I do every single month. I currently have 400 shares. I'm going to do the same thing. 400 shares last month. I think I had a strike at 30. Now, currently this month, I'm going to be doing the strike at 27. So, and I get almost $1 over about $1 in terms of premium. So that's good. So I'm going to be doing that. Let's see. Oops. What am I doing? Right over here, I'm going to do a trade right over here. So I'm going to be selling. Going to do a limit. Let's see. Going to do 4 over here because I have 4. And then the limit price, let's see. The last price was 93 cents. Mid was $1. Let's aim for $1 right over here. So that should, actually, since the mid was 105, let's do 104. It might not execute, but we'll see. The volume and open interest pretty low. I'll do 103. But I look at this, open interest is right over here, 37, volume is 5. That's pretty low. I'll just be on the safe side and put 103. I just want to be executing it like almost immediately, just so I don't have to make this video a little bit longer than usual. So time and force day, everything checks out. I'll be selling a call option right over here, and everything checks out, and just place my order. So review this credit. I'm going to be getting approximately $412, and that's it. Unlimited loss. Well, obviously if it runs up, it doesn't really matter. This doesn't really matter. I'm just looking at the profits. So sell, and it actually, let's see, it went through. It got filled at limit price 103. Voila. So let me go ahead and fill this out. So my total premium collected is $412. That's into my account already. So and this drops down to my cost basis to $33.44, which is not bad. Earlier, if you notice, it was $34, but this play is a little bit on. I just really want to get out of this place. Obviously, I collected a lot of capital gains recently this year, so if I exit out this position, I'll probably lose around like 3,000 or maybe a little bit less than $3,000 on the Pinterest stocks in general, because if it does hit the 27 strike or above within this month, I'll be happy to exit out because I want to use it as a tax loss harvesting technique. So basically what that is basically use this to offset my gains for this year, and the offset limit is like $3,000 for this year, so that's totally fine. This is not tax purposes, or this is not even tax advice to you guys at all. It's just basically my strategy, what I'm doing for this year. I just don't want a lot of gains and then be taxed on those gains. If I get a loss on this one, oh well, I get a loss. So this is the strategy I'm playing for this year. I'm going to be a little bit risky, so when November comes along, I'll just do the same thing over again for December. And I'm just going to be a little bit aggressive. I just hope that it gets executed or it gets assigned. So if it does get assigned, then oh well, I'm happy with it. So it offsets my capital gains. So that's my strategy. So the next trade I'm going to be doing is Palantir. Palantir, I'm also going to be a little bit aggressive. So then I collect a little bit more premium on this side. So Palantir is PLTR. So Palantir, I'm going to choose a 30 days out. So November 25th as well. Be looking at this. So I think last time it was on a $10, it was a $10 strike. At a $10 strike, I'm going to be looking at the same thing, $10 strike right over here. So last time what's interesting was that it was at 5 cents credit. This time is at around 20, a little bit over $20 or 20 cents in terms of premium, which is good if I were reselling. So I'm going to actually be selling this. So do this, be selling this, and I have 200. Remind you again, I have 200 shares, so that's 2 options right over here. Select 2, and then for my limit price, let me check. So the mid is 0.22. Have high volume, high interest, open interest, which is good. So I think it'll execute at 0.22, which is good. Go ahead, scroll down and hit sell, place order. $44. So place, let's see, everything checks out. And let me see. Oh, it got filled at 22. Limit price, average price 0.22 right over here. And the average price got filled for pins is 103. All right, I'm gonna slide this over and then fill this out. And I'm gonna close this position because it didn't get assigned last month or in October 21st. It didn't get signed. So now I got $44 in terms of premium collected. So let's do the total of this. So $44 plus, let's see, $44 plus $44 plus 412, that equals to $456 for today. And again, this is just the total premium collected. And if it does hit the strike above the strike, hit the strike or above, I'm going to get a sign. And when I do get a sign, I'm going to be losing money. And again, the reason why is because I'm sending my strike at $27, right? My cost basis is $33. I'm losing money if it gets a sign, which is totally fine because I'm doing tax loss harvesting on this one. And for Palantir, same scenario. Got $10 right over here, and my cost basis is $16. So I'm totally fine if these twos are losers and it gets a sign for this year. Like I said again, I'll be doing this every single month, and if you enjoy something like this live, let me know to do more and make another portfolio if you want. Next year, I'm going to be totally doing a different setup. So hopefully you like this kind of, setup and going live and actually seeing me trade and how do you understand how the Webull platform works. And by the way, if you haven't signed up with Webull yet, feel free to do so. I do a lot of tutorials on Webull, and they have a paper trading account even with options too. So you could check it out and understand how options work with Webull. And if you do sign up with them and fund the account, you'll get free stocks with them. I don't know how much they're giving out, but I'll put a screen or some pictures right on the screen so you know. Anyways, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more weekly content like these, and I'll catch y'all later.